What's up, guys? In this video, we are going to check out the top 5 best pool covers that are available on the market for their true quality. We have made this list based on overall performance, price, quality, and more. If you choose from this list, you can rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please check the product's link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome content like this. So without any delay, let's get started. Number 1. Blue Wave Bronze 8 Year-Round Above Ground Pool Winter Cover. Blue Wave's Bronze Series cover is a perfect option for individuals in search of a cost-effective way to protect their pool throughout the winter. This cover is modest but has a number of high-end characteristics that are often reserved for more expensive covers. This pool cover is highly durable under the correct conditions due to its UV-resistant polyethylene scrim and coating. The heavy black hue of the cover's underside helps prevent algae growth, which may be a serious problem when you reopen your pool in the summer. The Blue Wave Bronze Winter Cover's polyethylene scrim and coating are designed to withstand sun, snow, ice, and wind during the entire winter. This winter cover is quite straightforward to install. The Blue Wave Winter Blanket is an excellent value. It is one of the most affordable alternatives on the market with a high-quality build. This winter cover comes with a limited warranty of 8 years. If you have the original receipt, you should be able to receive compensation for any product defects. Number 2. Blue Wave Bronze 8-Year Rectangular In-Ground Pool Winter Cover. Given its pricing, the Blue Wave Bronze In-Ground Winter Pool Cover is an impressive product. On paper, this winter cover features a polyethylene scrim and coating, a UV protective coating, and a jet black underside to prevent algae growth. However, for the price, it is a dependable option that should last you 1 or 2 seasons. This winter cover has heat-sealed seams and a polyethylene scrim and coating for increased durability. A UV protection layer helps shield the cover from the sun's damaging rays. The underside of this Blue Wave cover is jet black, which helps prevent algae growth. The pricing of the Blue Wave Bronze Winter Cover is really reasonable. Despite not being the most lasting in-ground winter cover on the market, it serves its purpose admirably. As with the option for above-ground pools, this Blue Wave Winter Cover for in-ground pools comes with an 8-year warranty. Number 3. Sun 2 Solar Blue Rectangle Solar Cover. Solar coverings are a clever method to keep your pool warm and appealing throughout the entire summer. The Sun 2 Solar Sun Cover is constructed from a resilient and flexible resin material and is available in blue and clear. The Sun 2 Solar Blue Solar Cover is constructed from a sturdy resin that will endure for a couple of years before needing replacement. This solar pool cover is manufactured from high-quality, rip-resistant plastic, so it may be cut to size. This solar pool cover is quite straightforward to install. This solar cover is likely among the best available at this price. This sun cover is covered by a 3-year limited guarantee. Number 4. Happy Buy Pool Safety Cover. This heavy-duty cover is built for years of enjoyment and is still more affordable than most covers of this quality. This pool cover features polypropylene construction and is made of a porous material. Installation for this cover is surprisingly easy as well. However, despite all of these great features, the Happy Buy Pool cover does not include a warranty. So, if you have any issues with it during use, you may be on your own. The Happy Buy Pool Safety Cover is made from rugged and thick polypropylene, which should provide reliability year after year. The material is also porous, so rain and precipitation can make it through the cover instead of pooling. This safety cover includes installation tools and the tension springs and bolts you will need to attach to your pool securely. Considering the quality of the product you get, the price of the Happy Buy Pool Safety Cover is more than fair. In fact, you won't easily find another product of this caliber at this price point. Number 5. Robelle 350-2040R Super Winter Pool Cover. The Robelle Super Winter Pool Cover is a great option for in-ground pool owners. As one of the cheaper Robelle Winter Pool Covers, don't expect it to last you years and years, but the durability is still commendable. Thankfully, the 10-year warranty can give you some peace of mind should your cover fail at any point. The Robelle Super Winter Pool Cover is made of durable polyethylene material and boasts a 5-foot overlap that will be less strain on the cover itself, which will help extend its lifespan. The 5-foot overlap in this winter pool cover makes it easy to install this cover. Attaching the cover to your pool is a breeze, and there are water bag loops every 4 feet to keep the cover secured, while steel grommets at each corner add another layer of security. This cover has a lengthy 10-year warranty, so you'll have peace of mind should your cover fail at any point. It is the purchaser's responsibility to cover any shipping and handling cost. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for this review. I hope you guys have enjoyed our work. Feel free to share your feedback, like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this. See you guys later.